Ever wondered how to make your Google Sheets look more professional and organized? Well, consider this your lucky day. We're about to embark on a journey to transform your Google Sheets into a masterpiece of organization and efficiency. First off, let's make that title pop. How, you ask? Simply highlight the text you want to be the title, navigate to the toolbar, and click the B icon for bold. Voila! Your title now stands out, commanding the attention it deserves. Next up, we're going to outline your table. This gives it a clean, professional look. Just click on the table, go to the Format menu, and choose Borders. You can select the thickness and color of your border. Choose what suits you best and apply it. Now, it's time to add a little color. We're going to change the color of a row. Select the row you want to color and find the Fill Color bucket in the toolbar. Choose a color that's easy on the eyes, yet distinct. But what if you change your mind about those outlines? No problem. Simply click on the table, go to Format, then Borders and select No Borders. Your table is now outline free. Let's not forget about our columns. They deserve some color too. The process is the same as coloring a row. Select the column, find the Fill Color bucket and choose a color. Now, let's center all the columns. This can really clean up the look of your table. Highlight the columns you want centered, go to the toolbar and find the Center Align button. Click it, and like magic, your columns are perfectly centered. Sometimes you might need to move things around. Maybe you want to cut and paste a table somewhere else. Highlight the table you want to move, right-click, and select Cut. Then, navigate to where you want the table to go. Right-click and select Paste. Next, we're going to insert a pie chart. Go to Insert, then Chart, and select Pie Chart. This can be a great way to visually represent data. Lastly, let's change the chart title to Expenses. Click on the chart title, delete the existing title, and type in Expenses. And there you have it. Your Google Sheets is now a beacon of professionalism and organization. To recap, we've bolded our title, outlined and colored our table, removed the outline, colored our columns, centered all columns, cut and pasted our table, inserted a pie chart, and changed our chart title to Expenses. Remember, the key to a professional-looking Google Sheet is all in the details. So keep practicing, keep exploring, and you'll be a Google Sheets pro in no time. Happy organizing!